In this video, we'll walk you through the Lenovo ThinkSmart One Pro, an all-in-one collaboration solution designed for modern meeting spaces. The ThinkSmart One Pro is a Windows-based collaboration bar that combines computing, camera, and audio into a single device along with a tabletop meeting controller, ideal for small to medium meeting rooms. The integrated high-resolution camera uses AI-driven auto-framing and speaker tracking to keep participants centered and clearly visible. The 100-degree horizontal field of view covering up to 6 meters of distance ensures everyone is seen, even in tight spaces. The ThinkSmart One Pro includes 8 integrated microphones with wide-angle coverage and advanced digital signal processing for noise suppression, echo cancellation, and audio leveling, so voices are clear from anywhere in the room. Stereo speakers deliver rich, room-filling sound. The ThinkSmart One Pro supports a USB mode, also known as Bring Your Own Device. This lets you connect your laptop via USB and HDMI and use the One Pro's camera, mic, and speakers with your preferred conferencing app. USB mode expands room capabilities by bringing other video conferencing apps such as Slack or Discord, which are not natively supported, to room scale. Inside the box, you'll find the ThinkSmart One Pro bar, ThinkSmart controller or IP controller, One Pro wall mounting kit, power adapter, and rubber feet. Check out our video on IP controller setup, linked in the description below, to see what comes with the IP controller and how to set it up with your ThinkSmart device. Place the ThinkSmart One Pro under your room display or mount it on the wall with the included bracket. Apply the rubber pads if using it freestanding. Check out the video description for an interactive guide that can walk you through the wall mounting process. Attach the ThinkSmart controller or IP controller to its designated port. You can connect USB accessories like a keyboard or mouse, and also up to 2 external displays using the 2 HDMI out ports. To share your laptop screen, connect an HDMI cable to the HDMI in port. Connect a USB-A to USB-A cable to the designated port if you want users to be able to use the USB mode feature. Connect your Ethernet cable. Plug in the USB-C power adapter and turn on the system. Follow the Windows out-of-box experience to complete setup. If you are using a Microsoft Teams Room device, check out our video on Windows Autopilot to learn about how you can automate deployment of your ThinkSmart devices. You can register the device with ThinkSmart Manager for remote IT management, system health checks, and updates. To run a meeting from a laptop, use USB mode. Connect the USB and HDMI in cables from the ThinkSmart One Pro to your computer. Press and hold both volume buttons for 3 seconds until the bar's light turns blue and the display shows ACC, meaning USB accessory mode, is enabled. The device will now appear as a camera, microphone, and speaker in your conferencing software. Hold the volume buttons again for 3 seconds until the clock display returns. Now you can safely disconnect your laptop. If you'd like to learn more about your Lenovo device, subscribe to Lenovo Support on YouTube or visit smartsupport.lenovo.com.